Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to use Spacetime in Once Human. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So it is actually very easy. We just have to firstly find what kind of control that you specifically have. So you're going to click on the escape button on your keyboard, and as you can see, you should now be taken here. Now click on settings right here, so click on settings, and then you're going to now click on keyboard right here, so click on keyboard. Now you're going to scroll down in here, keep scrolling down until you can see, so I think I must have missed it here, sorry guys. Let's see where it can be here. Oh, here it is, Spacetime, as you can see. So for me, it's actually the Q button. And here, as you can see, so just check for like yours. You probably have Q as well, to be honest. So I'm just going to click on Q. And as you can see, this is Spacetime here, and this is basically exactly how to actually use it.